Hello students, good morning. We are going to study matrices. It is your third chapter. Now just start the application of the matrices. Matrices are most powerful tools not only in the field of mathematics, that is also in physics, economics and genetics. In computer based applications, matrices are used in the projection of three-dimensional image in two-dimensional screen. In physics related problems, matrices are applied in the study of circuit diagrams, optics as well as quantum mechanics. Now we are going to start with the concepts of matrices. Just we start from the definition. Matrix. A matrix is an ordered rectangular arrangement of numbers or functions in horizontal and vertical lines called rows and columns. The numbers and the functions used in matrices are called the elements or entries of the matrix. Numbers of the matrices are enclosed within big or small brackets, such as this is big or sometimes we use this. Matrices are denoted by capital letters of English alphabet like A, B, C and so on. Now, for example, we may write a matrix that is having the element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It may be written as using a small bracket as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Another matrix B can be written as sin x 3 minus 1 and e to the power x. Now, matrix is only the representation. That's why matrix has no numerical value like as determinant. It has no numerical value. Now, order of a matrix having m rows and n columns is called a matrix of order m by n. For example, order of the matrix given here, which has how many rows? 2 rows. How many columns? 3 columns. It is 2 by 3. It means it is clear. First of all, we have to write row, number of rows, then the symbol by, then number of columns. Also, in general, if A is a m by n matrix, then A has the form. Here we write A is equal to, now we are going to start row number 1. So all the suffixes, first suffixes should be 1. That is A11, A12, A13 and A1n. It means starting from 1, we have to change the columns. This is for 1, column number 1. This is 2, this is 3, this is 4 and so on. Let it is jth column and last one is nth column. When we start with second row, then first suffix should be 2. So starting from A21, A22, A23, A2J and last one, that is A2N. Similarly, when we are going to write ith row, so first suffix is I and second changes from 1 to n. So its elements become AI1, AI2, AI3 up to AIN. Last row, that is order is m, so last row will be m. So that's why its elements are AM1, AM2, AM3, AMJ and last one is AMN. Now, it can also be written in compact form as matrix A is equal to Aij of order m by n, where I is greater than or equal to 1 but less than or equal to m. At the same time, j is greater than or equal to 1 but less than n, where I and j both are natural numbers. We can also represent any point Pxy in the plane by a matrix. When we use this matrix, that is row matrix, or we may write this is using column. Now we are going to deal with questions. First question is, if a matrix has 18 elements, then what are the possible orders it can have? What if it has 13 elements? Now, since we know, we can factorize 18 as 1 by 18, 2 by 9, 3 by 6, 6 by 3, 9 by 2, 18 by 1. Therefore, possible orders of the given matrix are 1 by 18, 2 by 9, 3 by 6, 6 by 3, 9 by 2 and 18 by 1. Now 13 being a prime number, it is factorized as 1 by 13 or 13 by 1. That's why its possible orders are 1 by 13 and 13 by 1. In next video, we have to learn about types of matrices.